Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Spfyapply, or I don't know, Spotify reviewer job for $36, whether it's legit or a scam. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on publicly available research and user feedback. So, a lot of you ask me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Now, the website spfyapply.com presents itself as an official application portal for a Spotify reviewer job, offering a generous $36 an hour or per hour just to listen to music and give feedback. The site looks polished with fake testimonials and urgent messagings to apply quickly, which is a common tactic in online scams. But dig deeper, and the red flags start piling up. According to malware tips, this site is not affiliated with Spotify in any way. It's designed to collect your personal information, push affiliate offers, and possibly install unwanted software on your device. Reddit users have also flagged it as a blatant scam, warning that there's no real job, no actual reviews, and definitely no $36 per hour payout. Instead of connecting you to a job, the site funnels you through survey walls, downloads, and shady signups, all aimed at profiting from your data, not paying you. So is spfyapply.com legit? Absolutely not. It's a well-disguised scam that plays on people's hopes for easy remote work. If you see it shared online, don't click, and definitely don't hand over any personal information. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.